If you're looking for an innovative partner to be at the forefront of the latest lamination processes, if you want to be surrounded by a team with experience, if you appreciate the difference, welcome to the place where you can achieve your goals. After 100 years and 4 generations of constant innovation, Pujol presented in 2011 the Pujol 100 system, a new process that has revolutionized the world of lamination as it was known until now. The new Pujol 100 system has managed to reduce production costs, reduce costs due to energy efficiency, as the clean room is not needed and the installed capacity is reduced. Reduce the cost of raw materials through elimination of layers in tempered glass. Use less floor space. Lower the investment. Generate higher profit per unit produced. The process starts with loading the glass on a tilting table that facilitates loading large glass on the washer. Without the need for climate and humidity control, the clean room becomes just a controlled environment in which the glass, after being centered on a positioning table, will be transported by vacuum lift, which will place it on an assembly table for perfect squaring. The PVB or EVA is placed on the glass with a motorized uncoiler that permits selecting the roll to be used. Once the glass has been assembled, it goes to the transfer table. The process of unloading the glass on the trays is totally automatic. The trays are introduced into the table and the glass is deposited in the bag. This system is essential when working without glass taping. The oven has a lift for the positioning of trays in each of the different stations, so that the following steps are carried out in a cycle. Parking waiting. Oven, chiller. This includes a quick sealer for vacuum blankets and an automatic opening and closing system in order to reduce the time of opening and closing the bags, minimize the risk of breakage and leakage of the large bags, optimize the space required in the factory for storing the bags. In the PVB process, the oven works in a vacuum atmosphere in the chamber and in the bag to level out the pressions and prevent any type of pressure on the glass. Thus, with the vacuum pump, once the evaporation temperature is reached, all the humidity and air are expelled from the glass. The heating in this stage is done with black body radiation plates in order to work in a vacuum atmosphere. Once the evaporation stage has been completed, a vacuum will be generated only in the bag, putting pressure on the glass as it is heated by radiation and convection. With a chiller, the time cycle is reduced for increased production until it reaches a temperature at which the glass can be removed. In the market, there are constant needs to be met, solutions to provide, and a lot to do. Help us create